Alright you guys, I am back in TJ Maxx. So I know we've seen this gummy bear one before, but this one is going to be a little different. It's more like a lighter color. They're kind of cute. There's more shamrock. It looks like these strawberry cups are $15. And of course they're Betsy Johnson. There's quite a few in here. Some are going to have floral print. Oh look, the strawberry one is still here, but I think on the other video it was pink. Okay, check that out. That's crazy, right? Let me see. They have this butterfly for $17. Can we see that? And there's like this heart one. That's funny. Oh, look at this purple one. It's that glare. I'm trying to get rid of the glare. Some more. These are all the gold necklaces. It looks like some are maybe $150. Some more right here. So I did find some new Michael Kors bags. The price is covered, but I honestly want to say maybe $150. They're putting everything, I said before, everything's behind glass now. I can't believe this one is behind glass though. It's usually out in the open. Cheese face cream, that is $7. Let me get to this back here. Cool Balm tree facial oil, $5. Okay, I don't see anything too new in like skincare, anything that's like popping out to me. Oh no. Yeah, all this is the same. Okay, here's a new one. Oil balancing mask. So $4, like a red tag. And they have this purple one. I wonder if that one's new. There we go. The Firming Ophrdia, okay, $4.50. Again, that's a good brand. What is in here? Oh, makeup remover. Okay, cloth. These are $7. It comes in a cute watermelon. And makeup bags. That one's kind of cute too. It's like a velvet. We've seen the cat one. And this one's going to be only $4. So not bad. And they still have the Minnie Mouse. This might be it for their like makeup beauty area. Plenty of sandals, so it's $15. Oh, look at this Roxy right here. These are $10. They do have some Crocs with glitter. Let's see. It's for your curls. Banana, that shampoo. It's a scalp mask. Okay, here's more of the makeup bags. Everything looks the same. Ooh. Some more Roxy sandals. Those are $8 in the green. You have your bright colored one. Calvin Klein. A lot of makeup bags today. Wow. These are $15. Ooh, they have like that nice cooling effect too. I love that. Danskin has some really nice stuff, I think. Okay, that is cute. It says squirrel on it for $8. Squirrel. Right? I've been loving all like the Disney redone stuff I've been finding. Oh yeah, they're all right here. Is that an alien one? Oh no, it's the Up. Up is such a sad movie. It's so sad though. These are $5. Look, Aristocats. Everybody wants to be a cat. A 9 to 5. It's about right. You know what? I've never seen a Dr. Seuss one. They have a cat. They're not single, they have a cat. Little bunnies and shamrock.
That's right,
These are like cute containers though. They always come out with different prints on them, so $8. Let me walk around the end cap real quick. Yep, they have your animal print, geometric shapes. Hey, look at the strawberry mold. Huh, those are $5. Haven't seen that one. But sometimes they don't really mold. They do break apart. And then we have candy. Candy galore. We're going to see a lot of candy, you know, because of Easter. Like this container, but it's plastic. So these are really nice glass jars. They're $7. They're really thin though. They're like a thin glass. And then a little chalk on it. You get 2 in here for $10. They do have a smaller one. I like the glass ones. These are $5. There's a pouring lid. So I found SpongeBob today, $5. I'm ready. And of course the strawberry ones are still around. The ladybugs, the butterfly. This is really cute. I know we might have seen one at Home Goods. $5. The carrot, and then they come with the packaging. You can find more in Home Goods. I think we found like a bunny one and maybe a lip one. I think it was more for Valentine's. Let me turn on the light. It's all dark in here. Self-care journal. Oh, that's cute. That's really cute. We got some gnomes in here. Oh, they're all cute. All these new ones. They're priced like $4. Here's a cow print one for $4. Oh, yeah, kind of like a cow print. Don't give a guac. Like a little squishy. Okay. I don't give a guac. I know they had one that was dressed like a boss, said boss on it. Just squeeze their little head off. They should have one that says like coworker. The coworker. The annoying one. Look at talking to hobby. These are $7. I think we all have a annoying coworker.
Energy vampires.
Energy vampires, right? $7. Yeah, so you know they're quick to just throw you under the bus, you guys. Trust me. Smelly jellies. These are $5. Smelly jelly. And made it into the candles. We have sand and fog, pineapple, vanilla. That sounds really good. Fall in love. Vanilla coconut, apricot and rose. This is a silicone lid. I never see that. Normally I see like the bamboo one or the tin. You're doing a great, babe. These are $13. So I found their Eastern here. Oh, there's that bunny. I think we might have seen that one at Marshall's. They got a lot of gnomes today. How much is this bunny? He's cute. It's like a cartoon character for 13. They need to move Easter. They have Easter like in this little tiny space, so everyone's walking like the main walkway. They should have it up front. Tons of the gingerbread house for 25. Oh, this one is full of glitter. And this wooden one, that one's actually kind of cute. How much is that? Say $30, $29.99. We got the bees. The bees are out. Sting this. Do you guys know where that's from? I can't think of the movie now. The Hot Chick. I love that movie.
That is trivia.
Oh.
You know what that's from? And Rob Schneider's mom was a judge.
Billy. That's my favorite part. And he's like, Marjorie. What did he say?
I like when he's on the phone and he thought it was his priest.
Oh, but
He's like,
you know.
I should have loved you when I had the chance. He's like, Father McCoy.
Look at this one's cute on the farm for 13. It's funny. It's a cute little wooden duckling. This one's kind of cute with a little turquoise bow for 8. Haven't seen this one. These are by Cupcake and Cashmere. Oh, is that all they have? And a lot of vases. Let's see, Winnie the Pooh. Ooh, there's a little face man. Have your lemon. Ah, look at this. It kind of reminds me of Rabbit from Winnie the Pooh because it has a carrot on it.
Oh, yeah.
Cute. Carrot bunny's really cute. Look how cute and simple.
Oh, yeah.
And then we have your moss one in the back. Happy Spring again with the gnome. Oh, have we seen this one? Maybe in Marshall's for 10. I like him too in his little top hat. Let me see. He is going to be $29.99. You know what? I need to go back to Tuesday morning. Maybe we can find some new Easter decor in Tuesday morning. Oh, there's that bunny reading the book. It's cute. Just a lot of gnomes. And it looks like maybe kitchen towels. We have Peep, Happy Spring, and the lemon. A lovely yellow. I love yellow. Love yellow, but like I said before, I'm like loving green. It's like calling my name. Here's a little pickle.
That almost looks like a Veggie Tail pickle, doesn't it?
Oh yeah, Veggie Tales. How funny! Oh, look at this, crinkles. I thought you were gonna say Dragon Tales. I don't know why.
Oh, I haven't seen that.
I haven't seen Dragon Tales in forever.
I miss our kids being little. We got to watch all the cool cartoons.
5-minute bunny stories. There was a lady who swallowed a chick. She swallows everything, I tell ya. I love you, mommy. I was kind of like a knockoff of like the Lion King.
Oh, it totally looks like.
She swallowed a fly. Peekaboo morning. Do you guys remember this character? I had books of him when I was a kid. $5.99, and he was always getting in trouble.
Is it Rabbit?
Yeah.
I think I remember that.
I had a few books, but I don't know his name. Does he have a name? I mean, I could open it up and read it.
PJ Funny Bunny.
PJ Funny Bunny. Okay, that's funny. Yeah, I remember the bow tie. And he would get into like trouble and everything.
1983.
1983. Wow. Look at that little blue bird. Oh, here's like an avocado bunny. That's kind of cute. Okay, found Skeletor Hot Wheels for $2.99. That's a good Easter basket find. Godzilla and what's that? He-Man. You know, every time I see He-Man, I think of that stupid song.
Yeah.
Chelsea, my daughter used to collect these all the time. And they have puppies, Disney, Peeps. I want to say lip balm. Yeah. Those are just fun to have, but maybe for a younger kid, I wouldn't give it to a teen though. Dinosaurs. Here's some Easter baskets though. There's some cute stuff in here. They have Play-Doh, $5.99. Okay, this is really cute for the little girls. They have little mini Juicy Couture one, and then this one says Juicy, and then you get the bottoms. Let's find out. I'm looking for little boy outfits, you guys. 15. Now that I'm actually looking for little boy outfits, I'm having a hard time. Therefore, mainly everything's for girl. A girl. You guys are forgetting about the boys. Alright, you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here in TJ Maxx. This is 18. Check this one out for $40. You can save it, or you know, when it gets a little more like windy. I don't know if we're gonna get any more new rain. I'm not too sure. April showers maybe. Alright, you guys, please stay safe, and I will see all of you in the next ones. Their clothing here. Again, these basic tops are so nice to find here, like right here. And they're really soft and they're stretchy. These are 10 and you get 2. Normally I just stock up on them.